In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen with full audio on Google Meet. When you're presenting in an online meeting, it's not enough for people to just see your screen. If you're playing a video, sharing music, or demonstrating something that has sound, you want everyone to hear it clearly through the call, not through your microphone. That's exactly what we'll set up in this walkthrough. First, make sure you're already in a Google Meet call. You can join an existing meeting or start a new one. Once you're in the meeting and you can see the main call window, look toward the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of controls there. Find the one labeled Present Now. This is the button you'll use anytime you want to share your screen with others. Click Present Now, and a small menu will pop up with a few different options for sharing. To share your screen with full audio, you want to be very deliberate about what you choose here. If you're using a Chromium-based browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, look for the option that mentions sharing a tab or includes audio. This might be called Share a tab, share this tab instead, or Present a tab with audio, depending on your browser and updates. Choose the option that lets you share a specific browser tab with audio. A window will appear showing all the open tabs you currently have. Select the tab that contains the video, music, or website whose sound you want your audience to hear. After selecting it, check that there's an option or checkbox to share tab audio. Make sure this is turned on. Then confirm by clicking Share. Once you start sharing, participants will now see that tab and hear its audio directly through Google Meet, which gives them much better sound quality than if you just played it through your speakers. As a tip, keep the shared tab in focus while you're presenting, and pause any extra media in other tabs to avoid distracting sounds. If you need to switch to a different tab with audio, look for the small banner at the top of your browser that mentions you're sharing. Many browsers let you click an option there to switch which tab is being shared, while keeping audio enabled. When you're finished presenting, return to the Meet window and click Stop Presenting to end the screen and audio share. That's all you need to reliably share your screen with full audio on Google Meet.